Good morning everyone. I am Dr.satyabrata, MD clinical pharmacologist, and today I am going to discuss on benefits of intermittent fasting. You all know that intermittent fasting is very much useful in prevention of diseases. And if you do intermittent fasting for 16 hours in a day and after that you eat healthy foods for 8 hours, and if you do intermittent fasting in a month or weekly once, then you can get the benefit of intermittent fasting. Like if you are diabetic, your blood sugar will be normalized because your insulin sensitivity will increase due to intermittent fasting, and insulin resistance will decrease. And if you have heart problems, then your heart get cured, heart problem get cured due to intermittent fasting. Your cholesterol level will be decreased and normalized, and your blood pressure, if there is hypertension, then your blood pressure will be normalized by doing intermittent fasting. And like this way, your heart problems like myocardial infarction, stroke, etc. can be decreased due to intermittent fasting. And it can also be benefited in case of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease and other neurodegenerative like Alzheimer's disease and different neurodegenerative diseases. You can get benefit from intermittent fasting, and it will protect your nerves, and it can also protect your nerves, and it can sharpen your memory. So it is very much useful in case of dementia patients. And intermittent fasting, there will be fat metabolism and you will get energy, and there are different metabolisms in different times hours of intermittent fasting. You should go through different books and articles to know more about this time point, how your metabolism occurs due to intermittent fasting. And there will be decrease, normalize your cholesterol, and there will be normalization of your blood pressure, and sugar level will be normalized due to intermittent fasting, and your different organ damage will be prevented. Your eye will remain healthy, your kidney, liver, and different organs and lungs will remain healthy due to intermittent fasting, and you will be protected from infections. And it can also have anti-inflammatory effects, so the inflammations in your body will get cured due to intermittent fasting. And it has also antioxidant properties. If you do intermittent fasting, then your body will get benefit from antioxidant properties, and your body will remain healthy, and you will feel good. Sometimes due to intermittent fasting, you may feel lethargy, and you can got constipation, gastritis, etc. But the overall benefit of intermittent fasting is more than the side effects. And due to intermittent fasting, in case of obese patients, they will get benefited. There will be weight loss, and due to weight loss in obese patients, they will be protected from different heart diseases, different neurodegenerative disease, different liver disease and kidney disease. They will be protected from different comorbidities if they do intermittent fasting. So intermittent fasting is very much useful in patients and also in people who are suffering from different disorders, and also it can be benefited in case of healthy people also, and you will remain healthy lifelong. Your aging will be decreased and you will remain healthy for your lifetime if you do intermittent fasting. And it can also prevent from different infections and the inflammation occurring in your body, that will be cured due to intermittent fasting, and your eye will remain healthy. But in case of hypoglycemic patients and gastritis patients, there might be some problem due to intermittent fasting, so they should be cautious while doing intermittent fasting. And due to intermittent fasting, there are lots of articles also on intermittent fasting's benefits. You can go through different articles and different books about this topic, and different guidelines if there is. You can go through and learn more about intermittent fasting benefits, and it can also make your memory sharp, helps in prevention of Alzheimer's disease, dementia and other infective conditions. It can prevent different infective conditions. It can protect your different organs like lungs, heart, kidney and other organs. So intermittent fasting is very much useful and very much needed for your health, and it is useful in different diseases. It can cure different diseases, normalizes the levels of markers, different bad markers. It can decrease your LDL level, cholesterol level and also your inflammatory markers, and it can protect from your, if there is any autoimmune disease or different diseases. It has very vast use in different diseases protection. So this much today for intermittent fasting, and you can go through different articles, different books, different guidelines to know more about intermittent fasting and how to do intermittent fasting and how metabolism occurs, in what time what metabolism occur due to intermittent fasting. You can go through different articles, books and different guidelines to learn more about this topic, and I think you will be more benefited from this topic. Please like and subscribe my channel and watch till the completion of this the videos, and so that you can learn a lots of things that you never come across before. So intermittent fasting is very much useful in case of the patients and healthy people also, and it is present from beginning of the society, and the tradition from beginning of our society. It is also there, that is intermittent fasting is there, and now we are knowing more and more about its benefits by doing lots of research, and there are also lots of published articles on intermittent fasting, and you can go through different articles and guidelines and books to know more about intermittent fasting, and what are the benefits and what are the harms of intermittent fasting. But overall benefit of intermittent fasting is much more than the harms. So risk versus benefit analysis, there is more benefits than risk. So you should do intermittent fasting to remain healthy lifelong, and it can also prevent from aging also, and you will remain healthy for a long time by doing intermittent fasting. So that's all for today, and we will discuss on different topics on different days, and thank you very much. Jai Jagannath. Stay healthy, stay safe. Jai Sarva Brahma Bhavanaya. Namaste.